How do you say it's delicious in Spanish? The phrase it's delicious in Spanish is es delicioso. Es delicioso. Or if you're describing something feminine, you would say es deliciosa. El chocolate es delicioso. El chocolate es delicioso. The chocolate is delicious. La comida aquí es siempre deliciosa. La comida aquí es siempre deliciosa. The food here is always delicious. So you use delicioso with masculine nouns and deliciosa with feminine nouns. For example, el café es delicioso. El café es delicioso. The coffee is delicious. So coffee is masculine, so we say el café es delicioso. Tu paella es deliciosa. Tu paella es deliciosa. Your paella is delicious. So paella in Spanish is feminine, so we say deliciosa. Qué deliciosa. Qué deliciosa. How delicious. So if you want to say it's delicious in Spanish, you say es delicioso or es deliciosa. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3 Minute Spanish at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.